So hey, what's up guys? Thank you so much for clicking into my video and welcome to my review of Cyborg Profits. Now, I have a really good one for you guys. As you can see, this is the product itself that we're going to be talking about. It's going to help you to make at least $100 online. So if you're interested in actually seeing that, do stick with me till the end. Also, if you want to see an honest and unbiased review of this product, do stick with me till the end. But before we actually go of deeper into Cyborg Profits, sorry for that, guys. Just wanted to mention to you guys that I do strive as much as possible to actually provide information to you guys that is both valuable and actionable, because I do believe that's the only way the information will be of help to you. And also, my number one goal for this video or this review in particular is to help you guys make an informed decision whether or not you want to pick up Cyborg Profits. And with that being said, let's get straight into it. So as always, guys, I'm going to be showing you or covering exactly the most fundamental aspects that most people want to learn before they buy any product. So we're going to be talking about exactly who's behind Cyborg Profits. I'm going to be showing you exactly what the product does. We're going to talk about who this product was actually made for, and also we're going to be covering some of the benefits that Cyborg Profits will provide to you and also your business. And as always, guys, I'm going to be showing you exactly what you're going to get once you pick up a copy of Cyborg Profits. And also we're going to be drawing a comparison between what you're paying for versus what you're getting in return to see if you're getting value for your money. And it wouldn't be an honest and unbiased review if we didn't talk about some of the pros as well as some of the drawbacks. And at the end, I'm going to be giving you guys my final thoughts. So with that being said, let's get straight into Cyborg Profits. So this is the actual sales page of the product. This is where you're going to be buying it, or this is where you're going to buy through if you want to pick up a copy of Cyborg Profits. And basically, it's a product in the make money online niche. It's going to show you a couple of things to actually show you, to actually help you make at least $100 a day consistently online. And there's gonna be a unique twist. They're gonna be showing you a unique traffic source that isn't saturated, and not a lot of people know about that. So you're gonna be facing much less competition, and that's why you're also gonna be making this this amount of money passively. And as well, not just the traffic source, they're going to be talking about exactly how they're doing it. And we're going to be talking about everything about Cyborg Profits, all of the features, and everything in between. But for right now, guys, I just want to mention to you guys real quick, I do have some bonuses for you guys. If you want to pick up a copy of Cyborg Profits, all you have to do is click the first link down below in the description box. And once you do that, it will take you to this web page. As you can see, I have around 9 or 10 bonuses for you guys. However, if you want more bonuses, do contact me through Instagram. I did leave a link. It's gonna be the last link down below, and you can message me at any time, day or night, and I'll be happy to add you as many bonuses as I possibly can. And also, if you have any queries regarding the particular review, you can also shoot me up, and I'll be happy to sort you guys out. Now, Cyborg Profits is a product in the make money online niche. So I thought to myself, what are the bonuses that I can give to you guys that will help you not only when you decide to pick up Cyborg Profits, but also in your other activities online. So I'm gonna be giving you a lot of bonuses to help you master traffic. I'm gonna be giving you underground traffic secrets, traffic exchanges tips and tricks. As you can see right here, backlink basics. Basically, all these bonuses are geared towards search engine optimization, and just not only search engine optimization, showing you exactly how to generate traffic, how to control traffic, and how to also master traffic. And I don't think I have to mention to you guys, once you actually rank higher on search engines such as Google and Bing and Yahoo, you're gonna be getting a lot of free traffic, and now it's just a matter of learning how to convert that traffic to leads, and ultimately leads to sales. So if you want to pick up a copy of Cyborg Profits plus my special bonuses, all you have to do is click this blue button right here that says click here to get Cyborg Profits plus my special bonuses. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this sales page, and just scroll to the here that says buy now. And also, as you can see, the product just goes for $8.51, which basically means is that's inexpensive, at least to me, and I do believe a lot of people can actually afford this product. Once you click buy now, you will be taken to a checkout page, and once you actually pay for the product, you will be redirected to another web page similar to this one. Once you scroll, as you can see, this blue button that says access affiliate bonus, and once you click that blue button, my bonuses will be given to you completely for free, and yeah, automatically to you guys. So I don't want to spend too much time on the bonuses. We'll be discussing about all of these bonuses at the end of the review. But for right now, let's get straight into more of our Cyborg Profits. Now, I just want to disclose to you exactly what you're going to get once you decide to buy the product. So you're going to get a copy of Cyborg Profits, and also you're going to be getting my amazing and exclusive bonuses. And let's draw a comparison between what you're paying for versus what you're getting to see if you're getting value for your money. Now, as I said, the product just goes for $8.51, and basically right off the bat, you're getting a $14.89 in discount, because the product, as you can see, normally goes for $27, but for right now, you have you have that massive discount. And also you do get my bonuses. And the reason why I don't like to add a value to my bonuses is because I see a lot of YouTubers actually doing that. Not just doing that, most of them, but not all of them, must actually inflate the value of their bonuses just to get people like you to take an action on their behalf. And I don't like doing that, and I've never done that. However, I did pay for these bonuses with my own hard-earned money, and I'm gonna be giving them to you completely for free. So I just wanted to point that out. Now that we actually covered that, as you can see, $8.51 versus that that huge discount, plus my bonuses, and also you get to learn how to make $100 consistently per day online. I do think that's a fair exchange, and you're getting value for your money. But for right now, I just wanna disclose some of the important sections that I want you guys to pay attention to. I want you guys to pay attention to the income screenshots and also the list subscriber count, and I'm gonna be showing you that in just right now. So these are the guys that you're gonna be learning from. Simple Spencer and Ted Katz. I don't know much about this guy, but I do know Simple Spencer. He is a super affiliate, which basically means he's like one of those online gurus. But much like all those online gurus, he's actually uh, not full of crap. I could say that. Yeah. So I just wanted to point that out. Now let's go through what I was telling you about the income screenshots. Basically, as you can see, when I don't know when this was, but you can see every single day it's about 80, I mean at least an average of $100 every single day. And as you can see, they're also you're also going to be learning tips and tricks to actually help you in email marketing. Basically what I mean is increase your subscribers to your on your email list. As you can see, the subscribers today, that was 23. I don't know when that was, guys, but as you can see, the total subscribers are 6,138 subscribers. And they're also going to be learning, again, as I said, how to do email marketing within this within this course. So as you can see, guys, you don't have to this product is completely newbie friendly, and it's designed, everything is completely done for your system. As you can see, you don't need any tech skills, you don't need any experience, you don't need no email list, you don't need to have your own product, you don't need to know how to launch a product, you don't need to create any videos and all this other stuff, SEO, affiliate recruiting, everything. It's has been done for you, and as I said, everything has been simplified, and they're gonna be showing you everything, how to actually go about getting that $100 per day. And so that's the whole the whole concept of this particular product. And also, guys, you do get a 30-day money back guarantee. And so basically means you can just choose, you can buy the product and check out how it is. If you don't like what you're going to be learning inside, or probably you find out that the vendors over promised and under delivered on those promises, just request a refund within 30 days, and a refund will be given to you automatically. But just make sure it's within those 30 days, so you have nothing to lose completely. And also, one thing I just want to point out, that this is a dime sale, and basically what that means, or on a dime sale, for every sale made, the price is gonna go up. So if you want to pick up this product for really cheap, I suggest that you pick it up now. That is if you only want to pick up the product. I don't want to force you in any way, either directly or indirectly. My main goal right now, or for this review, is just to present the facts to you, and you can make up your own mind, as if you want to. So as you can see, it was just bought about 9 minutes ago, but okay, but right now I just switched off my Wi-Fi because my computer gets slow when I'm recording and the internet is on. But I just switched off a couple of minutes ago, and as you can see, somebody just bought from El Paso, Texas. So people actually buying this product, and they're getting you know success with this. So there's no reason why you wouldn't you shouldn't actually be getting the success they're getting. All you have to do is just follow exactly what they teach you in that training, and everything should be good. And again, if you don't make if you don't make $100 per day, again, you can, as I said, you can just request a refund at any time, and a refund will be given to you. Right now I just want to talk about the biggest benefit that you're gonna get, or you're gonna learn, is to learn how to make at least $100 per day consistently. And the benefit, or the additional benefits, as I like to call them, first of all, you do get financial freedom, and also you're gonna be discovering a lesser known traffic source, reducing your competition. So that's gonna be like one of the main pillars of this particular product, the traffic source. Because as I said, guys, traffic. You need to master traffic if you want to make money online, and not just make money, make even more money than you thought you could ever make. You need traffic, and again, you need traffic. And that's why I included these bonuses for you guys, to actually help you get that traffic and also make even more money, more than $100 per day with this exact system. And that's Cyborg Profits. So who should actually use this product? Basically anyone interested in making money online, or increasing the amount they're making right now. And right now, just let's go through the pros. As I said, it's newbie friendly. As you saw, you don't need to have any experience, any tech skills, any email list, know how to create your own product, how to recruit affiliates. You don't need all of that, or any of that. It's 100% newbie friendly, as you can see. And also, this is a proven and tested method, as you saw in those income screenshots. And right now, I just want to talk about some of the upsells that you can expect if you want to pick up the product. And there are actually 4 upsells. As you can see, the front end price of this product goes for $8.95, and we discuss exactly what that gets you. It gets you a copy of Cyborg Profits and also my bonuses. Sorry for that, guys. The second, OTO, and basically OTO means one-time offer. And basically what this means, OTO, these offers will actually be presented to you only once, and if you don't pick them up, you won't get them again, unless the vendor chooses to offer them to you guys. So the second OTO is gonna be $12, and you also by paying the additional $12, you're gonna learn another simple and proven method to actually get $200 per day. So basically doubling doubling your results. The second upsell is gonna be just $17, and what that gets you is how to get a profitable buyers list without owning without your own product. Basically, all they're talking about here is email marketing. When it comes to email marketing, there are 2 types of subscribers. There are subscribers who just get on your email list to see if you actually provide value, and there are subscribers who get you on email list because they actually want to buy something. And it's going to teach you exactly how to get those subscribers that want you, that are proven to actually buy stuff from you, and also from other vendors. And what that gets you is like an ATM machine, because you already know that these people have bought something, or have bought at least something. It may be like maybe 10 products, or maybe just one, but you have the confirmation that these people have bought something, so they're more likely than other people to buy something from you, and that's gonna be really, really valuable to you guys. The fourth upsell is gonna go for $17, and what that gets you is top secret 4 to 5 figure per day method. Basically, once you pay that additional $17, you're gonna actually unlock more features to this product, and not just now making $200 per day, making at least 4 to 5 figures every single day. And that basically means anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 and onwards, $1,000 to $99,000. However, I don't want to guarantee you any results. These results are not typical. It just depends on how much effort and energy and time you put in. So the fourth upsell is going to go for $37, and what that gets you is a full resale rights to Cyborg Profits plus 100% commission funnel. Now let me explain that to you guys. Basically, all they're saying, once you pay that $37, you're given the rights to actually sell this product as your own. to anyone that you want to, and you get to keep 100% of the profits, and you don't have to share those profits with the people who actually created this product. And that's basically it. You get first of all, you learn how to make all this money, and you also get to sell this product to other people and make even more money that way. And that being said, I do have another bonus for you guys. If you actually want it, message me on Instagram how to actually sell products online, much like this. Basically, that means PLR, and that's private label rights. I do have a perfect course for you guys that will actually show you everything you need to do in order to start making money or selling this product as your own. So if you want that bonus, contact me on Instagram and I'll be happy to give it to you guys. Right now, I just want to talk about, some, now that we actually talked about the upsells, I want to talk about the bonuses that I said I have for you guys. As I said, I'm gonna be giving you underground traffic secrets, traffic exchanges tips and tricks. That's basically helping you get even more traffic, and that in turn that will actually increase your income with Cyborg Profits. I'm gonna be giving you a course on online business plan that basically illustrates or actually lays out or helps you develop a business plan for your business. Because one thing, you need to treat this as a business, because if you treat it as a business, it will pay you as a business. However, if you treat it as a hobby, it will pay you as a hobby, and I don't want you guys to get hobby profits. Also, I'm gonna be giving you Facebook ads tips and tricks. Basically, if you want to get into Facebook advertising, it's gonna point out all the hacks that the Facebook ads gurus use to actually make so much money on Facebook ads. I'm also gonna be giving you Facebook monetization strategies, and that's a course to actually help you or show you how to make money from Facebook without spending money on ads. Basically, how to optimize your Facebook profile and also your Facebook business page to actually start making money with Facebook. Now, I'm gonna be giving you another course on how to develop I will be giving you another course on how to develop copywriting skills. And basically, copywriting is using the science of words to actually influence people to take a certain action. For example, buy from you. And as you saw, email marketing is going to be really an important pillar if you want to make money with Cyborg Profits, and also just make money online in general. So if you develop your copywriting skills, it's going to be really valuable for you. You can use it to write your emails, write your landers, write content for your website, and basically all that good stuff. I will be giving you another bonus to actually show you how to balance your keywords and your content. Basically, that means search engine optimization, and again, optimizing your website to actually be found by search engines like Google. So I'm gonna be giving you backlink basics. Basically, that's another course on search engine optimization, helping you get even more traffic, and also 30 days bigger email list, showing you how to grow your email list to unbelievable subscribers, even more so than you can see here. As you can see, the list size here is 6,138 subscribers. Well, that may be a lot of subscribers to somebody who doesn't or somebody who's new to email marketing. I'm not saying that's not a lot, it is a lot. However, you can actually get even more than that, and that course will actually show you how to go about that. So that's gonna be it for this video. Just one more time, let's do a quick recap of exactly what we covered. So I showed you exactly who you're going to be learning from. I showed you exactly what the product does or what the product will help you achieve. We discussed on who the product was actually made for, some of the benefits that Cyborg Profits will provide to you. We discussed exactly what you get when you buy a copy of Cyborg Profits, and also drew a comparison to see if you're actually getting value for your money. And we actually discuss some of the pros of Cyborg Profits. And the only reason why we didn't discuss the drawbacks of Cyborg Profits is because you have a 30-day money back guarantee, which basically means you have nothing to lose. You can invest that $8.51, try out the product. If you don't like the product, just request a refund, and a refund will be given to you. So what are my final thoughts? If you want to pick up this product, or if you actually watched till this part of the review, you actually have enough information with you guys to actually make an informed decision whether or not you want to pick up Cyborg Profits, whether you actually see it will provide value to you guys. So that's going to be my final thoughts. The choice is up to you. So with that being said, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I hope to see you on my bonus page.